hit the roar on accident with Thieves.
Oh shit. No, you didn't.
I did.
It doesn't have a cooldown.
Did fire the action roar.
You have to hold it down though. Here they are. You ready?
Let me get ready.
Yep.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna flamethrower the fuck out of these guys. Time in it. Oh, maybe I won't. Okay. Yeah, just right side cannon.
I killed them.
Oh, hey, Sloop! Where'd you come from?
He's coming.
Oh, I fucking missed. They wrecked into the island, I'm gonna anchor them. You would deal with the guy who's on the ship.
What the fuck is that?
Follow the skeletons, they help.
Yeah, I don't think he's on our ship, bro.
I don't know, it looked like he got to you with the zip line. I don't know, he might not have.
The skeletons aren't looking for anything.
Okay, then yeah, you're good. I'm on their boat right now. They don't have shit.
Alright, well, what do you want to do?
Sail northwest to the next one that I marked. Or it's northwest, yeah. I'm on their sloop firing at the brig to piss them off. I just deck shotted 2 of them.
That's funny as shit.
About to board them in fucking anchoring the brig. I anchored the brig after firing cannons on them, and I killed them. And now I'm letting the water from the holes get in that I made. I put 4 cannon shots into them and boarded them and killed them all. They're sinking.
Oh yeah.
I might have actually just fucking soloed them. Oh, they're doing a tall tale.
Oh.
Alright, kill the respawn. Killed another respawn. Yeah, they're about to sink. Like, fully. Yep, I just sunk the brig with the other guy's ship that also just sunk. I just sunk 2 ships without a boat. I love this game.